Kurumirira kuongerereka kwa mitino ya barabara ica ikuhi, kamiti ya mbunge igii ukuui riu nirathugunda gwika mogaruruku watho-ini wa trafiki. Kuringana na muikariri giti wa kamiti no David Kosing, watho uyu wirigiriirwo gukuithia murigo Mabithaa borithi kana urugamiriri wa ngari cia ukui wa muingi riria mutino wahanika.
We are proposing a proposal very soon that if an accident occurs and it is realized that because that guy or the SACCO CEO, we are looking for the CEO. That SACCO CEO did not put the speed governor on his car or on his bus, he will go to jail. So that we take responsibility. Look what is happening now. When an accident occurs, people die, and then the owners of the matatus and so on asking, gari yangu iliharibika kiasi gani, it's not even asking how many people died.
Kosing uria kwaragia mwena wa gicua-ini augite mutaratara uyu wa watho uratanywo kuhukia kaima na mitino ya barabara iria ikoretwo ikihanika na gucungiriria ikuo cia andu aingi.
So if it's a conglomerate of people coming together to form a CEO, to form a SACCO, then it is a person whom they have given responsibility to call a CEO. That is the person who should go to jail, number one, before the driver. So that this issue of telling us that, oh, you know, you had a driver who was drunk, whose responsibility is to recruit a driver? The CEO. Or you had a driver who was not properly trained. Who is supposed to recruit a properly trained driver? It's a CEO. And I want the people of Kenya to compare that public industry with the tourism sector. There are very low fatalities in the tourism sector. Why? Because there's a lot of discipline. People are recruited properly. So the CEO must be taken to task.
Agiteterithia makiria uhoro wigie Salga na Sachagwan, Kosing ni agathiririe ikinya ria ministry ya waki na barabara ria gwaka barabara igiri, akiuga undu uyu ni ugutigithukania ngari iria iroka na Ikuru na iria irathie mwena wa Eldoret na macungiririo kunyihia mitino eno.
The ministry has a mega plan, you know, to build a dual carriage all the way from Limuru to a place called Mau Summit, which is from right. The bigger one is from Mombasa all the way to Kisumu, right? But that is really a mega plan, and that's slow. But we know we cannot wait for that, and that's why we have suggested to them as a quick measure to look at those 12 kilometers stretch of Sajangwan to build a dual carriage immediately, so that now the people of Kenya shall be traveling when they are safe. Then now we can come to the mega plan. But there's a mega plan for this country to move from Mombasa all the way to Kisumu, you know, to build a dual carriage.
Hamwe noguo Kosing ni augire ati ruhonge rwa kuramata uigiriki barabara-ini rwa NTSA rutikobunjwo indi ni rugwikirwo hinya makiria niguo ruhote guthondeka mitaratara ya kugacirithia uigiriki barabara-ini.
So that they take care of standards, they take care of regulations, they take care of policy, you know, so that policy of safety and regulation of safety. For example, we are asking ourselves, if you look at that bus that killed 36 people, that bus looked like it was a paper. We are asking ourselves what material was it used to build that bus. And that is why we are very strict, and that will be given to the people of Kenya by NTSA. So NTSA will be there, but at the background.
Nige Kosing ni ateanirie muhuhu wa ati gucokio kwa borithi cia traffic barabara-ini ni ugucungiriria ciiko cia ungumania, akiuga ni maguthondeka watho murumu wa guthitanga Mabithaa borithi aria marinyitikanaga na mahitia makuoya mahaki.
It's not going to be business as usual. So that even if that policeman takes some 50 shillings down the road and that car has an accident ahead of him, he's going to jail. So we address this issue of corruption, so that it's up to him. He has to decide whether he wants to go to court or take 50 shillings. We cannot police him forever. He has to police himself, and the law will have to police him.
Ica ikuhi mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni athire ruhonge rwa NTSA rwehere barabara na rutigire Mabithaa borithi cia traffic wira wa kuramata uigiriki barabara-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njita Kamau wa Mwangi.